dear, I'm Vicky from Viniss here. Today I will show you different lace wigs. So after watching this video, you will know how to choose a right wig for yourself. So watching to the end, okay? First, let me show you the full lace wig. Yeah, this one is full lace wig. 100% handmade. And let me show you inside. You can see the whole cap handmade. Yes, this is why the full lace wig is the most expensive ones. Use this full lace wig, you can part anywhere as you like. You can make half a ponytail, you can make full ponytail, you can make any style as you like. Yes, this is a full lace wig. And also this is the most expensive lace wig, okay? This is a full lace wig. And the next one I will show you the lace frontal wig. The whole frontal handmade. Like this one, you can see the inside or the cap, the whole frontal handmade. The whole frontal, you can have enough space to part anywhere as you like. Yeah, but this is handmade. This part is handmade. You can also make part ponytail or change other style you like. Yes, this is lace frontal wig. And next one is T-part wig. Let me show you. T-part means the handmade part like a T. This whole frontal, yeah, a little handmade, and the part line is handmade. The rest all silk bundles on the cap. Yes, this price is cheaper. But when you put on your head, it also looks like a frontal wig. Yeah, you can come back the hair, make it like a free part, or you can make middle part like this, okay? And next one is cream color wig. This beautiful cream color wig. You can make very long cream line, and inside you can see only this very little lace cut and put on your head. Very easy to maintain. Yes, if you don't know how to use glue or you want to choose a easy maintain wig, then choose this cream color wig, okay? And also the color wig, inside a 4x4 color. Yes, cut and put on head, very easy. Yeah, this is a silk base. We also can make 5x5 color wig. Yes. Okay, dear, this is a different lace wigs. So if you want to part anywhere, if you want to braid it here, make any style you like, choose a full lace wig. And if you want natural look, the whole frontal is handmade, also chin part, choose lace frontal wig. If you want to make it easy, no glue, choose color wig or cream color wig. Yes. If you want cheaper price, but frontal look, choose T-part wig. You can make middle line or comb hair or back. Okay? Yeah, if this video is useful for you, please subscribe and share. Okay? Next video I will show you more information. Bye.